And just like that, I'm a plant mom. I was supposed to go to Baze instead of Nile, but we all know who's superior. Welcome to my first vlog on this camera. I am going to school today, but I want to do a quick workout. My class is in 2 hours to those, and I just like got out of bed. I woke up since, but I had to check some orders and make sure like everything was running on the website because I'm in my business bag. Like, I don't even know why I do YouTube, because YouTube doesn't pay like a tenth of what other things pay. But that's okay. I do it for the love. How do the youngins do the heart now? Like this bar? I do it for the love. So I feel so weird without like any lashes, but I might fix some on my eye before we go because I have the lash case, but I just came to get something out of the washer, and then I will go and work out real soon. I need to get rid of all these two chin. God gave me one, but see, I've baked my chin into two, and God wouldn't like that. Oof, oh my god. Oh my god. Clothes are secure. The autofocus on this camera is actually so bad. I think this camera has like a smoothing thing on it, I'm not sure, but workout is done. Workout is done. I did 2 workouts today. I'm so proud of myself, and I know it's not like lifting, like very intense stuff, but it's still better than nothing. So get up and pick up your mat, do some kind of workout. Like, it doesn't have to be intense for you to feel the burn. At least just do something, start from somewhere. I'm actually sweating real bad, and I'm so proud. I'm going to pick out what I'm wearing to school because the weather is hot. So once I come out of the shower, I want to just wear my clothes. I don't want to start picking one thing or the other. Like, and this hair, I'm wearing a cap because this hair is a mess right now. I got these Fashion Nova jeans the other day. These cost me some money, but I'm going to wear it with a white top and then my white eyelash slides. The look is coming together. Then I'll do a cap, some cap, I don't know, but this hair, I'm really not in the mood to start arranging it for shoots. This is my white top from Temu. I've actually not worn this one. Oh, I think I have, but I need to wear like extra something inside so that it's not you know, showing my tatas. These are the slides in question. I love them so much. This is from Outlash, a Nigerian brand. Aren't you just proud of your country? Sorry guys, I literally was so late for school. Like, my classes are in the afternoon, but one thing about me, I'm always going to be rushing and make it just in time. And let me tell you, I didn't think it was a flex when Kylie Jenner said that she knows how to do her lip liner with her eyes closed, because in a moving vehicle I am toast. Like, I was doing my very possible best, but guys, do not try this. I was so late. I wasn't late, I was trying not to be late, and like, my priorities are straight, so I didn't want to waste time doing my lip liner when I was kind of running late. So why not just do it in the car, right? This is the closest I've ever given to like my lip combo tutorial. So I go with like a pink this thing from Temu. I had to turn off the AC because that's just too much noise. Oops, the lip combo has finished, that's passed. I'm so sorry. Another day I don't share my lip combo. To me, it's just literally the most basic thing: the Temu pink liner, and then the brown Zickel gloss and the nude Zickel gloss. That's all. Cost less than 5k at the time I bought this job. So I got to school. This is me like sprinting. I had my first class. This is cardiovascular physio. How many times have I done cardiovascular? A couple times. I always like to get some shots of my faculty because I think it's very fine. It's one of the finest ones. You guys know I'm in my final year project era. Oh my god, era? No, it's that time. So I've been so busy. So I went to see my supervisor so that he would tell us what we're supposed to do that day. So this is like a bunch of, this was a while ago, like compared to now that I'm doing the voiceover. So we're in his office,
And after that, this is Rachel. Rachel is just like, I need to do something huge for Rachel because she has been such a blessing. I don't have any, I have like 2 friends, but like Rachel is the one that's just, she's just so great. Like, she's really hands on. She's very lovely. But that's by the way. So we went to get some food. I just want to get like small chops, like puff puff, meat pie, no puff puff, donuts, because I really, really love donuts in case you guys don't know. So we went back to our class. We're using our break time to like snack and stuff. At home, I only drink juice, water. But once I enter this stupid school, I must buy soda. Like, I need to stop entering all those little restaurants and kiosks and supermarkets because I must see where I'm chewing. God, like I've not eaten before. I got this very, very cold Capri Sun. Guys, you know how much they sold that Capri Sun to me? 500. Oh my god, 500 naira. I haven't bought Capri Sun like single in a while, so you guys comment below, let me know if that's the price. So I finished eating. Me and my fan were like this, like you can't separate us. The weather is boiling. I had my second class and I went back home. Back to my voice. Bye.
It's time to forget student mode and enter business mode. I need to check how many sales I've made today on the website. I need to get new stuff. I just need to become a CEO, throw school away. I actually ordered like a big ass aloe vera plant, so let me check in with the woman though. But now it's time to show her. This is the setup. I'm just using my old trusty tripod here. Like before this heat wave, I was never able to bath without take my bath without hot water, but now cold water all the way, like every time. And just like that, I'm a plant mom. What should we call her? Is this even a her? Is she? She's so joyly. So they said that I should cut, she said I should bring only one. So that they will give me the authentication number. And then I will take a couple to my supervisor so that we can get started on the pounding and the mixing to give to my rats. I haven't shown my rats on YouTube before. I can't wait to show you guys my rats, but in the meantime, let's push this to the corner of the kitchen. There she is, still perfect. Her name should be, and let me tell you, let me be original here, Alo. Yeah.
Back, and it's laundry time. Would this be a no vlog if I don't do laundry? Like, my life is not very exciting right now, so I'm always going to be showing you like what it really looks like every single day, and laundry features like every other day. Look how blurry this camera is. God, I don't know how to use it for shit. So this is actually the next day. I slept off like looking at some business stuff, and the day just went pretty much. I forgot. It's a new day and we are going to Baze to get my aloe vera plant authenticated. I've only been to Baze once and it's not all that, but I'm actually doing something with aloe vera for my project, and they directed me to a botanist in Baze. So that's where we're going this morning. This is me just making my bed. Oh my god, I look heinous in that clip. So I'm about to start talking again. Bye.
I'm rushing like crazy. What's the time? I don't even know.
This pink one is nice. The purple one is nice. Like, wait, did you really start?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You're making it seem like it's possible thing.
Well, so what if your children don't speak it? But we're already cooked, because even us that we are going, that we know how to speak it. Okay, the kind of way I'm like, it's not something. No, honestly, I don't know all this, like, and there is no like catch. Like,
The thing is, because apparently I have seen that human beings are human beings. Why do we need to be three? Why do we need more than that?
first time in bit, second time, because you guys don't know this, but I was supposed to go to Baze instead of Nile, but we all know who's superior. Don't kill me in the comments, okay? It's not even like as pretty. It's okay, like it's okay. So gray as heck. Just gray. I just left Baze. I'm on my way to now, and we have switched from camera to phone because like I can't even be stressed. And I didn't know that I had people who watch my content in Baze. I think I said hi to like 5 people and took some pictures, so like that really warms my heart. If you're watching this from Baze, thank you so much. You guys are so sweet. It's like 10 over 10 people. I'm heading to now, hopefully to catch my project supervisor, because I've done the authentication of my aloe vera. What a shame, after I finished insulting people's school, my school does not have someone that will authenticate plans for our project. So that's an irony. So I'm actually famished. If this guy is at home, if my supervisor is in school, I am just going to go back home. I'm not even going to stay for my next class, because that class can be so unserious, and I am so but there's no light at home. They've been playing with the lights as if the national grid collapsed again. Anyway, that's the update. Back in my own school, he was like, oh, let me just come down. Let me come down. Just wait, I'll tell you if you go. Thank you.
I don't want to write it down. If you go up, you see it, right? But then you just, and then they give the set,
I am finally back home. Guys, for the first time, not the first time, they do this kind of sometimes. For the first time in forever, they have taken their precious lights again and like is bad. Inverter is dead, kind of bad. Ah, hope this fan is charged because I'm really hot. Where's the wipe? I need some wipes because if I don't clean my shoes that I wore out now, like they're really dirty, but you can't see them. If I don't clean it now, I will literally forget. Let's try it. I'm about to film for TikTok. This is everything I got from Village Chief. So here we have banga soup, ofaku. I got it so that I could boil rice and eat, but the oil in this is ridiculous. The oil is ridiculous, I can't even lie. That's nice. So that it doesn't spill. Then this is roasted yam. This is bole to go with the fish. And finally, this is my actual lunch. Oha and apple. If you're an Igbo babe, you don't eat this combo. Apple stinks. It smells. Gucci stinks. Gucci smells. Let me taste that. Oh my god. Oh my days. I'm going to take my weight gain pill because I literally don't have appetite if I don't take it. Fast metabolism or whatever. So let's go.
We'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we knew it all. To a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before I knew it all. I know you think she's bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst. Pain and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again. I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I could feel his